the odds of asteroid 9994 Apophis colliding with Earth might be higher than we once thought. Astrophysicist Paul Wiegert from the University of Western Ontario recently shed some light on this alarming possibility. So, let's take it back to 2004. That's when astronomers first spotted Apophis, an asteroid that quickly earned a notorious reputation. Not just because it's named after the Egyptian god of chaos, but because it scored surprisingly high on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale. Apophis and its dangerous potential. Now, what's the Torino scale? It's a system that measures how likely an asteroid is to strike Earth and how bad the damage could be. Apophis was rated a 4, the highest we've seen so far. But before you panic, a rating of 4 isn't enough to say an impact is imminent. It just makes Apophis one to watch, and we'll get a close look during its flybys in 2029, 2036, and again in 2068. Did something push Apophis into Earth's path? Here's where it gets interesting. In a recent study published in the Planetary Science Journal, Wiegert explores a new possibility. What if a smaller object strikes Apophis and alters its course toward Earth? Sounds like science fiction, right? But in astrophysics, even the most unlikely scenarios need to be considered. According to Wiegert, an object as small as 0.6 meters could nudge Apophis onto a collision path after its 2029 flyby, and a larger object, about 3.4 meters across, could pack enough punch to change Apophis' trajectory straight into Earth's path. Now, predicting the exact risk of an asteroid impact is tricky. Scientists use advanced simulations and state-of-the-art tech to calculate these odds. Even tiny factors can make a massive difference in the outcome. What's incredible is that thanks to ongoing research, we're better equipped to monitor and even predict these cosmic near misses. High-resolution telescopes and real-time data from space missions allow us to track asteroids like never before. NASA's Near-Earth Object Observations Program, or example, is constantly on the lookout for potential threats. Wiegert didn't stop at just estimating what could happen if something hit Apophis. He also crunched the numbers to figure out how often we should expect a space rock to slam into Apophis in the first place. Using data on how many similar-sized objects strike Earth each year, he calculated that the odds of Apophis being displaced enough to threaten Earth in 2029 are extremely low, less than 1 in a billion. But here's the kicker. Even if an impact does occur, it would have to hit at the exact right angle to send Apophis on a collision course with Earth. Wiegert estimates those odds at around 1 in 2 billion, and the chance of that collision leading to a later catastrophe is roughly 1 in 1 million. So, the likelihood of this happening is tiny, but it's not zero. Let's face it, humans aren't great at interpreting probabilities. But this isn't just about understanding numbers. It's about recognizing how unpredictable the universe can be and staying prepared. As the old saying goes, forewarned is forearmed. With each new discovery, scientists are giving us more ways to understand and potentially prevent a disaster on a cosmic scale. And while the odds may be small, the work being done today could one day save us from an asteroid impact. Learn more about asteroid Apophis and space exploration. Subscribe for more updates.